Imran Khan is a Pakistani politician, former cricketer, and the current Prime Minister of Pakistan. He was born on October 5, 1952, in Lahore, Pakistan. Imran Khan was educated at Aitchison College in Lahore and later attended the University of Oxford, where he studied politics, philosophy, and economics. He then went on to have a successful career as a cricketer, playing for the Pakistani cricket team from 1971 to 1992. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time, having led Pakistan to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup. After retiring from cricket, Imran Khan became involved in politics and founded the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) political party in 1996. He ran for office several times before being elected as the Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2018. As Prime Minister, Imran Khan has focused on issues such as corruption, economic reform, and social welfare. He has also played a key role in international relations, particularly with regard to relations with India, China, and the United States.